In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make your logo 3D in After Effects. So start by dragging your logo to your composition. Let's resize this a little bit, like this. And give me a second. Okay, like that is good. So we have our logo here. Let's pre-compose this logo so in the future we can change the image. So make a pre-composition with Ctrl-Shift-C, and let's rename this to logo. Make sure to check this option. And now that we have our logo composition, let's make this 3D. Now press P for position and right click here to position and select separate dimensions. Now here to the C position, I'll click the stopwatch and just type index. There you go. And also let's add the effect levels. This will be like the shadow for the side of the logo. So change input black to 75. There you go. And now let's duplicate this. Let's duplicate this layer with Ctrl D. And give me a second. Okay. Let me change this. Okay, there you go. So let's duplicate this layer with Ctrl D and select all the layers with Ctrl A. We will do this until we have 64 layers. So do it one more time. Now we have 16, now 32, and now 64. Okay. Now select all the layers except for the last layer, the 64 and the first one, and click in this icon. This is the shy icon. So now if you press here, you can hide all of those layers. Now select the first layer and delete the levels effects. Do the same thing with the last layer. So this will be our back face and our front face. Or this is our front face and this is our back face. Okay, so now show all the layers, select the first layer and the last layer, and let's pre-compose with Ctrl-Shift-C. Let's name this pre-composition 3D effect. Hit OK. And make this layer 3D. You will see if we try to move this layer around, it's still a flat 2D image. So that's because we have to enable this icon. It's the continuously rasterize. So now if we move this layer, now you see it's 3D now. I'm gonna decrease this a little bit so it renders faster. And now we can animate this rotation, for example. I'm gonna animate the Y rotation, move forward, like here, and make one full rotation. Let's seize this keyframe and change the speed graph. I'm gonna use the speed graph here and select this, move it a little bit, select this and move it also a little bit here. There you go. And now we have this rotation. Okay. What's the weird frame here? Okay. Wow, what a weird frame there. I don't know what that book is about. So if you want to also add a motion blur to your animation, you have to go to the 3D effect composition, select all the layers, and enable here the motion blur by clicking here. There you go. Now let's preview. I don't know why is this error. Why is it? Maybe if I move this like here. Okay. I don't know why is that error. There you go. Okay. So now that we have this as a composition, we can go to the logo composition, any of these layers, double click, and we can change the image here. So I'm gonna put my logo. This not this. Okay. So you can easily drag your another image here, resize this, hide the other logo, and now you have another 3D like this. And now you have another 3D image. So that's a really easy way to make your image 3D here in After Effects. You can download this project file in the description down below. I'll see you in the next tutorial. See ya.